What's up, guys? Welcome back. I just had to touch bases with y'all and let y'all know where I'm at with these NFTs. Honestly, this is a brain scrambler. There is so many videos on NFTs and how to do bulk NFTs, and a lot of the videos online are about for PCs, and I'm on a Mac, and like here I started with the spreadsheet. There's one about utilizing the spreadsheets, and as you see, I put in all my characters that I did from one to how much do I have? 3,922. I got this far. Uh, and I was on OpenSea about to download them, and then the video told me about something that I did not have, and that was the Minnie Mouse macro. I couldn't find it here on the Mac, so that threw me off. Then I downloaded I saw another video on how to do it an easier way, supposedly. And I had to download a program called Python and Google Chrome. And needless to say, I got stuck somewhere somewhere else on that program. I mean, on that video and that description. So this has been a little more challenging than I originally thought. And the bottom line is, I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to end up doing all 3,000 of these one at a time. That is my real problem. I'm trying to figure out how to do it in bulk. And every turn I make with these tutorials, I'm getting stuck somewhere. So now my next mission is doing it the IPFS way, because it's so much techniques and smart contracts and minting them and going Ethereum and not going Ethereum, going Polygon, paying no gas fees. And it is a learning process. And, I don't want to, I'm not frustrated or anything like that, but I guess in my mind, I thought the hard part was actually creating the NFTs. But the hard part is figuring out how to upload these. I should have just went with one, but I actually saw a tutorial on, the more the merrier. The more you do, the better your odds of, getting them out there. And then you could give away some for free and things like that. So I went the bulk way. So now I'm kind of stuck with where I'm at with I did a bulk, and I'm going to figure out how to upload these, because I really don't want to do them one at a time, because that is going to take forever and a day. And that is to show you, these are all my NFTs right here. And they are just ready to go. These guys, man, it's 1 to 3,922. These guys are just ready to go. So, just to have them here sitting and figuring out how to get them, uploaded. My hope is that, as this market continues to develop, there will be easier ways to upload in bulk. That is my hope, but I am determined to figure this out. If not, we might have to do it one at a time, guys. But just wanted to give you an update on NFT Part 3 now. Part 3 was my hope to, have them uploaded already. But now, Part 3 is, I'm stuck in the valley, and I will be getting out of here at some point. So if anyone out there has advice, more simpler way, or a nice way to do it on a Mac computer, because majority of the videos I'm seeing is all on PC, and to navigate and open up the different windows, all the things that I'm seeing they go by different names on the Mac, even just by putting in the code. But I think I'm gonna figure out the smart contract way. That's sounding like one of the easier ways to go. So I'm really thinking I'm gonna do that way. So yeah, guys, wish me luck. As you see, I'm already on here on OpenSea. I have my collection ready to go, and we are gonna get it up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna tighten up some of the image. I just uploaded stuff just to get the community set up, but I'm gonna figure this out. So yeah, guys, just wanted to give you an update. Wish me luck. Remember, smack that subscribe, hit that like button, drop me a comment, drop me some advice. I need some help. So until next time, guys, y'all be good and be safe.